Dada Go is making a teepee for Mya and Sammy Go in their bedroom.
Can we help, Dada?
I'm nearly done. Ta-da! 1 teepee for 2 happy campers. What do you think?
I think Sammy Go is impressed.
Wow! Pillow!
Dada Go has done a tip-top teepee-tastic job this time, hasn't he?
Thank you, Dada. I can't wait to go to sleep.
Snuggle in. Night-night.
Wake light on.
Your nightlight is on. Just over there, Sammy.
Too dark. Big light on for Mr. Bunny?
Is Mr. Bunny afraid of the dark?
Huh? Here you go, Sammy.
Mya has a great idea.
You can use my torch for light, if you like. On, off. See? Now you have your own light. For you and for you, Mr. Bunny.
Mr. Bunny doesn't look that scared of the dark.
What do you say, Sammy? Lights off?
On, off.
If you need me, Sammy, just call out.
Okay.
Sweet dreams, cozy campers.
Night, Dada. Night, Sammy.
Sammy Go can't sleep. Too many noises in the night and... Oh, hello.
Mya, monster.
Quick, Mya Go, turn on the light.
Huh? I can't see any monsters.
But he's sure he saw a...
Monster!
But there's no such thing as monsters.
It can't be a monster, can it? Monster! There's a monster in there.
There's no such thing as monsters, but if there was, they'd be no match for Mama and Dada Go.
Okay. Mama, you take the front. I've got you covered. Ready?
Mama and Dada Go are on monster patrol.
All clear, Dada Go.
Fee you. Now, this teepee is officially a monster-free zone.
But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary?
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Mya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
When you block the light, it creates a shadow. See if you can guess what this is. I like carrots and I hop, hop, hop.
Bunny!
Hello, Sammy. I'm Shadow Bunny.
And a woofing rascal.
Look out, Bunny Shadow. It's a shadow doggy.
It looks like Doggy Go has heard a noise.
They're only shadows, Doggy Go. Can I have a go? I'm big and furry. I have paws with claws, and I like to sleep a lot during the winter. What am I? Where? Rawr, rawr. You're right. My turn. I think I know what that is. It's a shadow monster. My monster.
Mya Go and Sammy are tucked up warm and cozy in their beds.
And Captain Orangebeard and the other brave pirates set sail once again in search of treasure. The end.
The Brave Pirate is my favorite book ever.
I wouldn't have guessed. We've only read it about 50 times.
That's not nearly enough. I want to read it 100 times or 1,000.
And I'm sure we will.
When I grow up, I want to be a pirate. Arr! And sail the seas as well.
I think you'd make a wonderful pirate.
I would be very brave, too. Land ahoy!
Okay, time for bed now. Even pirates need to sleep. Night-night.
Oh, that's a big yawn, Sammy.
Night-night.
I'm feeling sleepy myself now. Oh, or maybe not. That sounds like a storm.
Was that thunder?
I think so.
It is! Sammy, no like thunder. Don't be scared. It's just the sound of the sea as the brave pirates sail their ship looking for treasure. We are brave pirates. And this is our pirate ship. We have lots of treasure to find. It's time to set sail. Quick, Sammy, there's a big wave coming.
Oh, something tells me we're going on an adventure. Aha! A pirate adventure!
Well done, Sammy. You're very brave.
Ha! Mya and Sammy Go are taking on stormy seas.
Let me see.
It's fun being a pirate.
Land ahoy!
Ha! Mya Go has spotted something dead ahead.
Oh, what's this? It's a treasure map.
Ha! Me hearties.
We have to get there before any other pirates do. It's a race against time. It's time to take to the sea.
Time to set sail.
The waves are getting bigger. Hold on tight. Almost there. That was very brave sailing.
Oh, I like the telescope.
Yippee! It's the island on our treasure map.
Anchors away! Ho-har!
We have to dig like pirates, Sammy. What?
Oh, that's really good digging, Mya. You really are a great pirate.
Yo ho ho.
Ha ha ha!
Yo yo yo.
Ho-har! What's this then?
Here it is. I wonder what's inside. Treasure! We did it! Yay!
Ha-ha! Well done, Mya and Sammy Go.
Our work for the day is done. It's time to head for home until our next adventure.
Homeward bound. Ha-har! Ha-har!
Night-night, Sammy. Bye-bye, Thunder. Come back another day so we can play brave pirates again. Arr!
Good night, Sammy Go. Good night, Mya Go. I hope you enjoyed your pirate adventure.
Oh, I thought the thunder might have woken them up.
These two sleep through anything.
Until our next adventure. Ha-har! Good night, Mama Go. Good night, Dada Go. Good night, brave pirates. And Mya Go is packing her suitcase to go for a sleepover at Emily Scher's house.
I can't decide which pajamas to bring with me.
It's a big decision to make for your first sleepover.
Panda! Thanks, Sammy. Just leave him there.
Mya is so busy packing, she's forgetting to pack someone very special.
But Mya, aren't you taking Panda? He always goes to bed with you.
I don't need to take him with me. I'm a big girl now.
How are things coming along, Mya?
All packed and ready to go.
Now, remember, Mya, just call us if you need anything.
Thanks, Dada.
I can come over at any time if you...
Don't worry, Dada. She'll be fine.
Oh, it seems this first sleepover is tougher for Mama and Dada Go than it is for Mya. Mya Go has arrived at RTÉjr's house.
Hi, RTÉjr. Hello, Mya Go. Bye, Mama.
Oh, don't worry, she'll be just fine. Thanks, RTÉjr. We'll pick Mya up in the morning.
RTÉjr is helping Mya Go to unpack her bag.
I love your pyjamas, Mya.
Thank you. I don't wear pyjamas. I wear a nightdress. This one was my mama's when she was little. Ooh, it's very pretty.
I wore it on my first sleepover when I was a girl.
Did you bring a suitcase with you in your first sleepover?
Yes, I did. In fact, it looked just like your suitcase, Mya. And I brought my favourite teddy bear, Flopsy.
I didn't bring Panda with me, but he'll be okay for just one night.
I'm sure he's a very brave panda. It's dinner time. Who's feeling hungry?
I am. Me too.
Mya Go is having dinner with the Share family, but something's a little bit different.
This is a big bowl just for me. That's the serving bowl, Mya. We all take a spoonful from each bowl. Oh, that's different to how my family do it. Our food is on one plate at the beginning of dinner.
Mya is enjoying sharing the food.
Oops, sorry.
No problem at all, Mya.
Thanks, Mama Share.
It can take a bit of getting used to when things are different.
Now that dinner is finished, Mya Go and the Share family are telling stories.
And with a whoosh, the hot air balloon lifted into the air, away from the crocodiles beneath.
Yay!
Okay, time for bed, little ones.
Will we read a bedtime story?
That was the bedtime story, Mya?
Oh, in my house, we always read our stories in bed.
Oh, it's bedtime for everyone in the Share house. And Emily Share and Melissa Share are already fast asleep when Mama Share arrives to tuck them in.
Everything okay, Mya?
I wish I had my teddy Panda. I mean, he's probably missing me very much.
I have an idea. Why don't we call Mum and Dada Go to see if Panda's okay? Hello.
Hi, Mama. I just wanted to make sure Panda isn't missing me too much. He might be very lonely on his own.
Hi, Mya. Oh, Panda is absolutely fine. Sammy is taking extra special care of him while you're on your sleepover.
Okay. Good night, Mama. Good night, Dada.
Well, how is Panda doing?
Sammy is taking extra special care of him.
Oh, wonderful. My teddy, Flopsy, needs some extra special looking after tonight. Do you think you can mind him for me?
Don't worry, Flopsy. I'll take extra special care of you.
All the children have finally gone to sleep.
Will you be okay with that Flopsy tonight?
I'll be fine. I'll just choose your teddy share instead.
Oh, look at the time. I'd better be heading to bed myself. Good night, everyone.